Hello students, last time we had learned how to add the title and content slide in PowerPoint. Today we will add a new slide from the home menu. I will click the new slide button and choose the third kind of slide, that is to content slide. So this is the to content slide here. At the top you can write the title for the slide. Supposing I'm going to write something about the rural community. So I can write rural community in the title. I can make it center aligned. I can go into the formatting and change the shape fill. Now I can come in the first content box and here I can write few sentences about rural community. So I can write rural. If I feel the text size is too small, I can delete, and before starting to write, I go into the home menu and increase the font size to 44, and I'm writing the sentence rural community is a community where people stay in villages, full stop. Okay, so this is the definition of rural community I've given. And now if I want to add an image of a rural community here, I can click on the second content, and to add an image or a picture, I have to go into the insert menu that is next to the home menu. So I click on the insert menu, then you can see here insert pictures from your computer or online source. So I click on the arrow and choose online pictures. So today we will learn to add the online pictures. This is the Bing search engine. You can either, if you're looking for any these resources out there, you can choose any of these. Suppose you want to look for some food, friends, man, ice cream, some kind of house. So you can look into these categories. You can click. Suppose I click on the house category, so it will give me all the different kinds of houses. So this image actually looks like rural. So I can either take this image and add it. So I will just show it to you. I can click this image and insert it. If you want other images from Bing search engine, you can here in this search Bing option, you can type rural, and after you type rural, you have to press the enter key. When you press the enter key on the keyboard, here you will see all the different rural images, and there's a scroll bar, vertical scroll bar to the right hand side. You can drag this slowly down to view the images, or you can click on the small arrow pointing downwards to scroll. Whichever image you feel is the best one you feel for the rural and community, you can click on that image and you can insert it. When you click on the insert button, that image will be inserted into that content slide. This is the second content slide. Because we had clicked on the second content slide, so it has added the image right into the second content slide. Now if you want to increase the size of this image, you can always increase from these resizing handles. Okay, so this is the to content slide we have added. Now the next thing I want to add is the comparison slide. So again, I go into the home menu, new slide, and we go here into the comparison slide. In the comparison slide, you will see two columns to compare something. So here at the top, supposedly I write comparison. Again, I make it center aligned and change the formatting. If you want, you can select the text, and in the home menu, you can make it bold. You can increase the font size Supposingly, I want to increase it to 54. So this is the size of the text has increased for the word comparison. And the first part of the comparison slide, here I will write supposedly rural, and I will make it center aligned. I will change the shape format, shape fill to light green, and if I go here in the gradient, I will see all the different shades of light green, so I can choose any. Now here I will use urban, and again I will choose the same shape fill and go to gradient and choose an appropriate gradient. Then I will make it center aligned. I have to go in the home menu and it is center aligned. Okay. Now if I want to type something here, it is the first content for the comparison. So if I want, I can increase the size to maybe 36, and I will write that there is less population in rural areas. And when I click on the urban part, I can write there is more population in the urban areas. Then I come here and I have to go to the new line. So I have to press the enter key after at the end of the sentence. My cursor is there. Then I press the enter key and my cursor goes to the new line. And here now I write there are less facilities in rural areas, and urban I press enter key and I write there are more facilities. Okay, so likewise you can add 2-3 more points, as many as you can think of. If you want to move this little bit, you can drag it up the text box, you can resize it, you can drag this one up, this also, and this also. When you see the 4 arrows, only then you can drag it up. Okay, now if I want to add an image, I can go into insert menu, I can look for pictures, online pictures, I can look for a rural image in the search Bing. I write here rural, press enter key, and I add this image. So this image looks too big. From the corner resizing handle, I make it smaller and move it here. Then I want to add now one more image of the urban. So again I go into insert menu, picture, online pictures. In the search Bing, I will type urban, press enter key. All these are the urban images. So I click on the one of the image and insert it. So the image will get inserted here. Again, it looks too big, so I can resize it from the corner resizing handle and drag it and move it into the slide. So this is my complete comparison slide showing the difference between rural and urban communities. See you, bye.